What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now you may remember we unboxed the S23 Ultra in graphite. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it linked right here for you guys to check out. But now it's time to get into the cases. This is the leather case for the S23 Ultra, so it's time just to get straight into it. Let's not waste any time. Let's just unbox it, slap it onto the phone, and let's see what it looks like. Let's jump in and get this unboxed and get it on that phone to protect it. Same as always, leather case, Galaxy S23 Ultra, and a picture of the case on the front, Samsung branding on the bottom, a little bit about the case, the fact it's leather, etc., and that it's been validated. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Quick peel down of the sticky label right here and unbox it from the bottom rather than the top. So let's pull that out. A little bit of reading information on your leather case if you want to read it. It's up there, and then the case right here. Nothing else inside this part. Nice suede velour lining inside. Cutouts for your cameras right here. All the cutouts. Feels nice. Cutouts on the bottom for your S Pen, your speaker and your charge port. And your power and volume on this side. So there is the Samsung leather case. As you can see, Samsung branding on the bottom. Let's grab hold of the graphite grey S23 Ultra. As you can see, we unboxed this in the video yesterday. So let's go ahead and slap the phone in. Like so, and there is the leather case for the S23 Ultra. As you can see, it already starts to wear. You already get them wear lines in it, and it looks really good when it starts to wear properly. So as you can see, cutouts on the bottom for your charge port, your speaker grill and your S Pen. And also as well, you got some nice clicky buttons. Cutouts for the cameras are nice and recessed in, so you haven't got to worry when you're placing it face down. Lip around the top so you haven't got to worry about placing it on a hard surface. Scratch that screen. Samsung logo on the bottom right there. All the cutouts on the bottom for your S Pen, speaker and your charger. Nothing on this side, but then lovely squared off sides as well. Makes it really nice to hold. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But as you can see, it's already shown some signs of wear. So this is going to wear really nicely as we go forward. So I may do an update video on this maybe in a few months down the line to show you exactly how it's wearing. But it's not going to be in use all the time because there's loads of cases on the way. But also let me know if there's any cases you actually want to see for the S23 Ultra before you buy. Be sure to let me know and I'll try and get hold of them. So let me know in the comment section down below. Feels nice. Obviously, the squared off design of the S23 Ultra really adds to the experience. It feels really good compared to the S22. Now the S22 I loved a lot and I used it constantly until the fold come out, but this feels really good. But let me know what you think in the comment section down below. See if we switch it on. It's on right now. I haven't fully set it up just yet, but it will be sorted out. You'll see a what's on my S23 Ultra video coming soon, along with you're going to see this going forward now in a lot of videos. So those camera rings, really nice and protected, nice and raised in, and of course the lip around the top and the sides to protect it when you decide to lay it face down. I've got a few cases on the way, and there's a lot of case videos still to come with the S23 Ultra from brands that have sent them out, so make sure you stay tuned for those. So everyone, what did you think of the leather case for the S23 Ultra? Is it something you pick up for yourself? Now I didn't buy this direct from Samsung. I bought this on Amazon. There was a good deal on it. It's about £50 odd through Samsung themselves. I got this through Amazon for about £35. Linked in the description down below if you want to go ahead and pick it up for yourself. I'll leave it linked right down there. My go-to case every single time, no matter what. And those new sides now on the phone make this absolutely awesome, and it's really grippy. I'm looking forward to making more videos. Let me know if there's anything you want to see going forward with the S23 Ultra. But thank you guys so much for watching. Plenty more videos to come. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you all soon. Take care, guys.